In today's video, we're going to teach an advanced move we've never taught. It's got a really cool variation and way to do it. We're going to show it to you now. My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
This is what it looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. If we do it from the other side, then we've got a bunch of different things to talk about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Let's talk about what's going on. I'm going to go with my back to the camera to start. So it's a roll in, roll out. And we're going to do this West Coast swing and line style. So it's built off of a roll in and a roll out. That's the first thing I need to know. I need to be able to roll Megan in, 3 and 4, and then let her anchor out 5 and 6. But then we're going to lead the pop out, which is the first variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to pop her out and 5. Easiest way here is to just, I like to just spin her in front of me, triple step, anchor step. Now from the leader's footwork perspective, and Megan's going to talk about the followers, I like to stall out my footwork and dance 4 walking steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, stepping alongside of Megan. So she pops out and 5, then we can replace 6. I can turn her 7 and 8, 9, and 10. All that being said, I'm going to do it from this side. Here is the thing that I need to do to get Megan to pop out is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've stopped her here. I like to pop this hand in behind her as we pop out 5. She dances and 5. Watch this. We rewind. Zoop. Boom. She dances and 5. And I want to get comfortable because I'm controlling her in 2 places. Remember this hand. This is going to be important next time. And then the hip catch. Right now, I don't need this hand. I'm going to, as we both step on that foot, notice I'm not turning her yet, but she's going to triple step around that. I'm going to trade her in front of me, and we anchor. Once I'm comfortable with that, I can start to add this as a variation. I'm going to do it this way, Miss Megan. That way they can see it from the back. And this is very leader dependent at this point. We'll talk about the followers in a second. We roll in, pop out, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Everything's the same. But now in this variation, I want her to go the other way. So I'm holding her back, but I'm starting to give her this connection here that says, Megan, you're going to turn the corner. So now she turns the corner, stepping on the left foot, rolls through, and anchors. But we have to keep track of which count, because people do these cool patterns all the time, and they get them wrong because they just do the moves and they don't get the right beats. What I mean by that is, without counting, you can't tell if this is on time or off time, right? We're just pulling her through, and she's turning, and then if we get the timing wrong, we wobble, and that's not the best version of West Coast swing. So I want to count in 2-beat increments in my head. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, triple 2, 1, and 2. If we count it with numbers, kind of want to get this point across because people mess this up all the time timing-wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. So if we were to prep Megan for an inside turn, this would be on an even beat of music. 1, 2, or maybe in the music it'd be 3, 4, or 5, 6, or 7, 8. She'd be on that left foot ready to turn on a 2, 4, 6, and 8. So now we're going to get to you, Miss Megan, what the followers have to do, but I want to get the timing correct, and then you can talk what you're thinking about in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 2 beats or 4. 2 beats now. This is 6, 7, 8. It's important that Megan's on that foot for the turn to be on time. If I'm on my correct footwork, bonus, triple step and triple step. So now that I've put that in your head, now the question is how does Megan, what does Megan feel, and what are her responsibilities? So you talk me through what's going on in your brain right here.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here, this is going to accelerate for the follower, which means the leader's going faster. So this goes and 5. On this new variation here, like Brian said, he's holding me here in place. This is draping over and getting to where he can lead me around the corner. This is 6. We're going to start to turn on 7 and come out on 8. So I'm very slowly rotating on my right foot.
Yes, and so again, when I think we'll do it the opposite way. Lowest common denominator for the follower. Megan's right here is thinking she's rolling in and rolling out. It's my job to accelerate her. She's now stuck in that hand. It's her job to stay there until I do something else. First variation, right? It's her job to stay there in that hand until something else happens. If she does a good job, if you do a good job as a follower, makes my life easier because you're stuck here. You can see Megan almost fall over. Stuck here while I start to get this ready to start the communication for the triple step on a 2, 4, 6, and 8, a free spin, and off you go. Now, if you want to see my 5 favorite advanced moves, you can watch this video here. And if you want to see all of our advanced moves, all of our champions breakdowns, everything, if you're looking for moves, this is the place to go. Click this link right up here. You'll see every video we've ever done. I can't even tell you how many there are. Check it out. Tell me in the comments below. See you on the dance floor soon.